China's ghost jet unmasked. For months, rumors swirled about China's sixth-generation stealth fighter, but now the mystery has broken wide open. A freshly leaked image of the elusive J-36 reveals stunning design details. Side-by-side cockpit seats, massive internal weapons bays, and advanced stealth contours, hinting at AI-powered drone coordination. This isn't just another stealth jet, it could be the command node for future aerial warfare. In this video, we unpack what the J-36 really is, how this image changes everything, and why the world's top military analysts are scrambling to reassess China's next move in the skies. The sixth-gen race just got a powerful new contender, anatomy of a new predator. The leaked photo of the J-36 didn't just confirm the jet's existence, it redefined expectations. Captured on the tarmac of Chengdu Aircraft Corporation's main facility, this image offers the clearest ground-level view yet of China's sixth-generation stealth fighter. Unlike the grainy footage from past test flights, this new visual gives us unprecedented insight into its structure and role. What stands out immediately is the side-by-side cockpit configuration, an unconventional choice for a fighter. Traditionally reserved for strategic bombers or multi-role strike aircraft, this cockpit layout suggests the J-36 isn't just a dogfighter. Instead, it hints at a more sophisticated role involving command, control, and potentially overseeing multiple systems simultaneously, including drones. The wide canopy, visible split-glass panels, and dual heads-up displays, HUDs, all support this interpretation. Next, the image confirms the presence of three distinct internal weapons bays, a central large bay and two smaller ones on each side. This configuration supports a diverse payload capacity while maintaining stealth. It can potentially carry a mix of long-range air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and possibly anti-ship or anti-radiation weapons, depending on mission needs. Internal storage helps it evade radar, a crucial feature in modern contested airspace. Aerodynamically, the aircraft incorporates design features previously seen in the J-20, but taken to the next level. Its smooth, angled surfaces, lack of vertical stabilizers, and visible dorsal air intake resemble technologies found in American stealth bombers, like the B-21 Raider. The image also shows signs of a diverterless supersonic intake, DSI, used to enhance stealth while simplifying the airframe and reducing drag. Notably, the front-facing view in this image also reveals a wide fuselage and a slightly elevated spine leading to the dorsal engine inlet, suggesting a spacious internal compartment, possibly for advanced electronics or additional fuel capacity. While we still don't know the exact dimensions, the scale appears closer to a regional bomber than a traditional fighter, reinforcing theories that it may serve as a hybrid platform. And finally, the undercarriage seen in prior flight videos shows a tandem wheel configuration, suggesting a heavier airframe built for long-endurance missions or high-payload operations. Taken together, these design features point to a jet that's built not just to survive, but to dominate in contested skies. The J-36 is clearly designed with deep penetration, strategic versatility, and stealth-first performance in mind. And if this photo is authentic, it confirms that China isn't just chasing sixth-gen standards, it may be setting them. Drone commander in disguise. Beyond its visible structure, the J-36's most compelling secrets may lie in what we can see, its digital nervous system. Analysts are increasingly convinced that this jet is designed not just to fly missions, but to command them, functioning as an airborne control hub for autonomous drones and electronic warfare assets. In other words, the J-36 might be the first true drone commander in China's arsenal. Let's start with the cockpit. The side-by-side seating configuration is more than a comfort feature. It's a functional choice that reflects high cognitive and tactical workload. It implies dual roles in flight, One pilot may fly and manage weapons, while the second could be responsible for battlefield coordination, drone control, or electronic warfare systems. This is a key capability in sixth-generation warfare, where human-machine teaming and AI decision support will be decisive. China has been aggressively investing in manned-unmanned teaming, MUM-T programs. Think of the J-36 at the center of a digital swarm, guiding stealthy AI-powered drones that scout ahead, jam enemy signals, engage targets independently, or act as expendable decoys. These loyal wingmen would extend the J-36's tactical range, gather sensor data, and even deliver precision strikes under human oversight from the mothership. To enable that, the J-36 would require next-gen avionics, secure low-latency data links, robust electronic countermeasures, ECCM, and AI-assisted decision-making tools. While we haven't seen the internal architecture, the Jet-AS wide spine and large body suggest room for powerful onboard computers and multiband communication systems. What's unique about China's approach here is scale. While the US is experimenting with concepts like the XQ-58 Valkyrie and Skyborg AI, China appears to be pursuing integrated manned-unmanned combat systems as a central doctrine, not an auxiliary capability. That changes the role of a fighter jet. The J-36 isn't just a shooter, it's a coordinator, and potentially a director of multiple simultaneous combat functions across multiple platforms. Moreover, with the inclusion of domestic AI giants in military research under China's civil-military fusion model, it's likely that AI-enabled target recognition, real-time mission adaptation, and autonomous decision support will be core to the J-36's systems. This transforms it into a command post in the sky, less a lone hunter, more a digital general. If this is China's strategy, then the J-36 isn't just a sixth-gen aircraft, it's a force multiplier for unmanned warfare. That would make it not only a strategic asset, but a shift in how air superiority is defined. In the age of autonomy, the J-36 may be the brain behind the swarm. The power of the leak. What's almost as important as the J-36's design? How it was revealed. Unlike conventional rollouts with military fanfare or state media previews, this jet emerged in what appeared to be an unauthorized leak, a ground-level photo uploaded to social media and later verified by defense analysts. But make no mistake, the timing, clarity, and composition suggest something far more intentional. Strategic leaks are part of China's evolving information warfare doctrine. They give Beijing the ability to control the narrative without committing to specifics. With no official statement, deniability is preserved. But the imagery alone, like this sharp frontal shot of the J-36, does the job. It fuels media buzz, unsettles adversaries, and makes foreign intelligence agencies take notice. It's a show of strength without saying a word. We saw a similar pattern during the early days of the J-20. Grainy footage, partial glimpses, and rumored specs circulated for years before the aircraft made a formal debut. That tactic allowed China to project technological parity or even superiority, while delaying confirmation of actual capabilities. The J-36 may now be following that same path. Why now? The leak coincides with a sharp uptick in Indo-Pacific tensions, new AUKUS defense packs, and the rollout of U.S. next-generation air dominance NGAD platforms. By accidentally revealing the J-36, China signals, "We're in this race too, and we may be ahead." Then there's the domestic angle. Showcasing cutting-edge military tech can galvanize national pride and reinforce the Communist Party's narrative of scientific and strategic ascendancy. The J-36, with its futuristic looks and combat potential, plays perfectly into this narrative, a sleek, stealthy symbol of China's rise as a military technological superpower. But beyond the messaging, the leak has serious analytical consequences. Military planners in the West must now reconsider their assumptions. The aircraft's structure, especially its lack of vertical stabilizers, internal bays, and stealthy features, suggests that China may have overcome key hurdles faster than expected. Engine development, long thought to be a Chinese weakness, may now support sustained supersonic flight and long-range operations. This forces the US and its allies to reassess deployment timelines, tech roadmaps, and tactical doctrines. If the J-36 enters service within the next few years, it will demand countermeasures and strategy shifts far sooner than anticipated. So while it's just a single image, it's a powerful one. It tells us China doesn't just want to match the West, it wants to redefine the game. And with the J-36, it might just be doing that, one calculated leak at a time. A new chapter begins. The leaked image of the J-36 isn't just a glimpse into China's next fighter jet. It's a warning shot to the world. From drone command capability to cutting-edge stealth, this aircraft challenges everything we thought we knew about sixth-gen warfare. It's not just a machine, it's a strategy in motion. And if the rest of the world isn't paying attention, it should be now. Thanks for watching. If this breakdown gave you new insight into where air combat is headed, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.